10 foods every couple must bring to bed, sex foods for the bedroom. Whipped cream, chocolate sauce, and ice cream toppings can be poured on and licked off, but sexy foods are not all about what's the easiest to ingest off one another's bodies. Mangoes. Mango is a very sensual, juicy fruit. Open one up and let the juices run on your fingers. It also tastes good and makes you smell sweet. Since smell is such a major component of what turns me on, anything with garlic or onions is automatically not sexy. Strawberries. This has all the sensuality of a mango without the messy qualities. It's very easy to feed to one another and to share, and also smells divine. Almonds. Almonds are a traditional symbol of fertility and the smell is intoxicating. They're also easy to feed to one another. Sweet tarts / sprees / pop rocks. This one may seem silly, but hear me out. When I eat these candies, I'm automatically transported back in time to the age of about 12, when something as simple as candy could make me giggle and laugh. Carefree sex is hot. Also, they make kisses taste really good. Chocolate pudding. Soft, sensual, delicious, and simple. Chocolate pudding evokes carefree childhood desires and can also be used on each other's bodies. I dare you to lick chocolate pudding off your man's fingers and not get a twinge of desire. Avocado. The avocado is just a sexy looking fruit. Yes, it's fruit, not a vegetable. It evokes a feminine voluptuousness and is creamy and soft. Basil. A very aromatic food that cleanses the palate and awakens the senses. Figs. This has the same appeal as the avocado, with the added appeal of being highly shareable and delicious. Brie / crackers. This is an easy finger food that can be shared and licked off each other's fingers. Cherries / olives / watermelon. I dare you to eat a cherry, a slice of seed-filled watermelon, or a bunch of pitted olives without laughing. Spitting pits brings us down a notch and reminds us of other base activities. Thank for watching my video 10 foods every couple must bring to bed, sex foods for the bedroom. Please subscribe my channel.